Hello kids, welcome to littleyTV. So kids, our today's topic is multiplication table and we will learn table of 11. So let's start. 11 1 is 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 six are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 110. So kids, let's repeat it one more time. 11 1 is 11. 11 1 is 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 fives are 55. 11 six are 66. 11 six are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 eights are 88. 11 nines are 99. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 110. 11 tens are 110. So kids, thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow with table of 12 video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.